guys, welcome to another video. Today we have a really fun adventure. We are heading to the Kaneohe Sandbar, which is something I've always wanted to do. So I'm grateful for the opportunity to go with some new friends. And this is our boat.
Wait, did you guys wanna...
Islander Chris. Whoops. I'll go ahead and link his YouTube channel down below if you'd like to subscribe to him as well. All right, let's go. Look at this water, the beautiful Ko'olau Mountains in the background. I am excited. It is an absolute beautiful day today to go boating, guys. Super stoked. Trying to anchor over there. Are you having fun, Koa? You like sunbathing, don't you? You like sunbathing. Alright guys, let me introduce you to the owner of the boat that we're on. This is Islander Chris.
What's going on, everyone? This is Islander Chris. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe on my channel, Islander Chris. And also, don't forget to click on that notification bell to get some updates on what we're gonna upload in the future. So, welcome aboard, Lane, and let's have fun for the day.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Ooh,
This is a Lane.
Delicious. Yum.
So it's not overly cooked. You still got some. It's called elixir, I think. Liquor. It's called liquor. That's the juice coming from.
I want to know what kind of oysters these are.
Nice.
Dead ones.
They just sell them. Yeah.
Okay, so what we're gonna do?
So most
This?
days at our barbecue days.
It's Hawaiian chili.
So you bought the
Hawaiian
whole thing?
water. Chili water.
This morning.
No, it's not. Just a little bit.
Just a little cake.
And then we're gonna put some shoyu in there. Let me show you how it's done.
Okay, this is spicy.
Not too much.
Everybody here kind of likes spicy except for Irina. But she doesn't even eat raw onions.
That's why I pointed at her.
Lemon juice. Oop, spilled some, and that's what it is.
Oh yeah.
I just like my
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
That's all you need.
How's that? Yeah.
That's delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Gracias.
Can I throw these? Yeah. Get them off the way.
Delicious.
One is fine, but
Here, just pick it up.
I like it.
Yeah. Get dirty. Then you chase it with that juice.
Yeah, the juice is so good. I tried one.
Yeah. Good.
The sauce really makes it too.
Which one? Ooh.
It's
Like a shooter.
Board, like we saw you,
Call her.
and then we were like, wait a minute.
Page worth thongs.
Did we give you this flavor on the watermelon?
Alright guys, I'm gonna intro you guys to some other YouTubers.
Aloha. This is Tasha. I'm Tyler. We are InfiniTnT. Just getting going on our channel, but we hope you like our content. What we got going today is some beautiful food that we're going to be sharing. We can give recipes, whatever you guys like. We got some oysters, some sausage on the grill, and if you look around this beautiful life around us, God-given, it's all the sandbar, Hawaii, Oahu. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe.
Yes, I'll link their channel below. Here's Leland.
Hey guys, I'm Leland Hasty. This is my wife Paige. We are out here at the Kaneohe Bay Sandbar. Our channel is about a little bit of life in Hawaii, kind of military style, and the struggles or challenges you might face, and how to make the best of it here.
Yeah, excellent. All right.
Aloha! My name is Irina.
And I'm Devon.
And we are Just Be Out. We create informative travel videos to help you get the most out of your vacation. Check out our channel and just be out with us.
What's going on, everyone? This is your boy Islander Chris. I'm here with
And Marta.
we are currently at the sandbar with our host, Miss Elaine here. Now make sure to subscribe to her channel and also subscribe to us, Islander Chris. I heard something in the back. I was like, what?
Wait, were you drinking?
I'll tell you, this specific kayak has a problem.
Yeah, I think everything. He likes me. He's like, yeah.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of the Kaneohe Sandbar. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more of my adventures here in Oahu. And I'll see you at the next adventure. Bye!